My name is Anna Paz and I'm a visual artist. We are here in the heart of Italy, in the hills above Assisi. This is the place where my personal creative journey started some years ago. Because this place is very close to my heart, I would like to offer you the opportunity to immerse yourself into a creative journey with me. The workshops are designed to ignite your creativity. They are open for all levels. During this week, you will learn and apply different techniques in a playful way. I will guide you through different exercises in order to spark your creative imagination. You will also have time to connect with yourself and with the nature around. Between different painting sessions, we'll head down to the beautiful medieval towns of Assisi and Spello. There, I will show you my favorite places to expand your visual senses and enjoy some of the best food Italy has to offer. If you would like to join me for a creative holiday, please contact me in Facebook, Instagram, or in my website. Thank you very much.